Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 8. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to start unit number 3, mysteries. And mysteries are always related to some strange things and happenings which remain unresolved. And here we are going to read out text Daud's Ride. It is a true story. In this story, we will read about a boy named Daud. His strange experience of riding his bicycle at night is shared with us, which he did not forget afterwards throughout his life. Now come towards reading. First paragraph. When Daud passed his class 8 examinations with flying colors mean get good marks. His father gave him a bicycle as a reward. Reward mean prize with its dynamo light and its shiny handlebars. Dynamo is a machine that converts mechanical energy into light energy. It was Daud's pride. Pride mean he felt happy and joy. He went everywhere on it. In this paragraph, we came to know about Daud's new bicycle, which he got after 8th class examination. 8th class examination, Daud felt very happy and he went everywhere on this bicycle. It had bright handles and dynamo light. During term time, Daud stayed with his grandparents so that he could attend the school just 2 miles from their home. And each morning he rode like the wind to school. As he rode hard and fast, he imagined he was riding the clouds like a kite rider, and he always arrived at the school full of energy and enthusiasm for his lessons. Enthusiasm means keenness, excitement. In this paragraph, we came to know about Daud's riding to school means Daud each morning rode to his school with full energy and excitement to attend his lessons, and he loved to attend his lessons carefully. Daud was the eldest son in his family, and his parents younger brother and sisters lived 30 miles away from his grandparents home on a small farm in the village where Daud had been born. Although he was happy at the school and he loved his grandparents dearly mean he loved his grandparents too much. He missed his family, particularly his baby sister, especially about twice a term on a Sunday. He would ride the 30 miles to his family village to see his family. In this paragraph, it is told us that Daud loved his grandparents too much, but he missed his family even then. So he visited them on Sunday to especially wanted to meet his younger sister. One Sunday, he did what he usually did before the long ride to his family. He checked his tires for air and tested his brakes and his dynamo. Early in the morning, he kissed his grandparents goodbye, told them he would be back well before midnight, and set off on his journey. He rode as hard as a gale force wind. Gale is a strong wind, pumping the pedals with his strong muscles and youthful energy, and slowing only occasionally. Occasionally means sometimes to wipe clean his face as the heat of the day increased. In this paragraph, it is told us early in the morning, Daud said goodbye to his grandparents, and he checked the tires and his bicycle and set off on his journey. When he arrived at his village, his family came out to welcome him, and his little sister ran along his bicycle laughing. The villagers shared the feast his parents had provided for him: rice with chicken, which had been cooking slowly all morning, absorbing the delicate spices which thou loved so much, and his mother's special dal. Afterwards, afterwards there were sweet spice cakes and mangoes. Daud played with his sisters and his brothers, ride his bicycle around the village. Dandled mean ride and moved lightly up and down. His baby sister on his knees, and told his parents about everything he had been learning at school. Daud felt that his life could not be better. In this paragraph, and Daud enjoyed a lovely meal with his parents and the villagers, especially rice with dal, and he also ate mangoes and spice cakes, and he also played with his sisters and brothers. However, all too soon it was time for him to set off to set off back to his grandparents' home. He had to be back well before midnight because he had to get up for the school early the next day. Daud's mother gave him spice cakes to eat on the way. He kissed all his brothers and sisters and set off. The road was rough and pitted around the village, but soon it became smoother, and Daud rode as though he was on a racing track. It was cooler. And the sun was setting in a blaze. Blaze mean fire, flames of the glorious mean splendid colors. The riding was going wild until suddenly Daud felt a shuddering. Shuddering mean trembling, and he knew he had a puncture. If he rode his bicycle in that condition, he knew he would ruin. Ruin mean damage the wheel, so he had to walk with it for over a mile to the next village, where the villagers packed his tire for him. So in this paragraph, we came to know that Daud bought his bicycle punctured, so he walked with his bicycle to the next village to get it repaired, and when it was repaired, he started its journey again, nevertheless putting every ounce of his and remaining energy and strength into his riding. Daud flew through the darkness, his light throwing up strange shapes and shadows. Suddenly he felt a fear creeping around his heart. His wheels were not gripping the road, instead they were sliding as though he was on an ice rink. His dynamo light changed into a powerful surge beam, casting its light for far ahead. Bewildered mean terrified, and terrified. Bewildered mean frightened. And terrified, he saw a huge figure with staring red eyes step out of the shadows. And the figure was wearing luminous t-shirt, yellow t-shirt, and a cloth wrapped around the rest of its body. He signaled to Daud to stop. Daud, almost rigid with terror, mean he was too terrified, felt that this hideous mean ugly figure was some kind of a horrible trick. So with his breath coming in a heaving gasps mean to breath with open mouth, like that of a marathon runner. He slowed down, but then suddenly sped past. As he neared the figure, Daud saw the red eyes recede recede mean diminish into the shadow. In this paragraph, it is told us that Daud was pedaling his bicycle too hard. Then he suddenly became terrified when he saw a strange figure with yellow t-shirt and red eyes. He signaled to Daud, like a marathon runner, slowed down his bicycle, but then he moved at a great speed. And Daud knew he now had only about another 8 miles to go. After a few miles, he had calmed his fevered mean agitated breathing, disturbed breathing, and was beginning to think the apparition had been the part of his imagination. When his terror returned once more, the red-eyed figure loomed out of the shadowy darkness. So in this paragraph, it is told that he was thinking that he might be thinking wrong. It was not the reality, but then again he saw that figure. So in this way, we will complete our reading till end. When Daud reached home, the figure also moved with Daud, and he became terrified. And when he reached home, he felt that the figure has moved away, so he felt relaxed, and he did not forget this scene afterwards. Flying colors mean, now come towards meaning. Flying colors. Flying colors mean achiever, successful. Dynamo is a machine for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. Wipe mean clean. Enthusiasm mean eagerness, keenness. Dandled mean ride, move lightly up and down. Spice mean flavor. Blaze, fire, flames. Shuddering is the action of vibrating quickly. Luminous mean shining. Recede mean diminish. Retreat. Hideous mean terrible, ugly. Fevered mean agitated, excited. Loomed out mean to appear, to come out. Frantically mean in a hurried, excited, or disorganized manner. Now come towards question answers. First question is how did Daud feel about his bicycle? Use quotations from the text. Daud Daud felt very happy. It was Daud's pride and joy. He went everywhere on it. Next question: how did Daud feel about his education? As we have read in second paragraph, Daud was very excited about his education. He rode his bicycle like a kite rider every morning to attend his lessons carefully. He always attended his lessons carefully and enthusiastically. And how did Daud feel about his family? Use the words from the text. Daud lived with his grandparents, as we have read in the paragraph number 3, but he missed his family, especially his younger sister. So, on every Sunday, he visited them on his bicycle. For question number 4, you will do yourself because it is from your text. Next question: why did Daud enjoy visiting his family so much? Daud enjoyed visiting his family so much because he missed them and he wanted to meet them, and he wanted to enjoy the meal, especially dal rice, and he wanted to play with his brothers and sisters. So he visited his family every Sunday. How did Daud mood change after his puncture on the way back to his grandparents' house? When his bicycle punctured, he became terrified, and he constantly tried to come out from that fear, but he could not. So that fear he did not forget afterwards throughout his life. Now come towards question answers. You are supposed to, sorry, classwork. You are supposed to learn and write the meanings of difficult words on your literature notebook, and you will also do question number 1 to 6 on literature notebook, given that are given on the page number 78. I hope you have understood the lesson and you have really enjoyed it. If you have any query and difficulty, you can discuss with me in classroom map. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.